bro e wo kuma wo TV so dwumadie ya to ne din say wonkwa hia ye ma wonkwa ho atumi ahia wo eno nti ene Dr. Penimpa ba ko e wo menche ha ye ne no e ba bedi dwuma no o ye doctor enkofo agina tumpa TV stations and radio stations bebree ena etwe papa yi ene oba be kan ye wo ha ye ne bedi nkomo mesra enkomo yi ade e be bo mo pomuden no atinye sipi asita edi ama wo ma wafide no koso na ena kuma wu TV bra ye di nkomo yi wo adwenkyere bi ana se ensembisa bi e de fa nkomo aye di no ho a wo hwe screen ni so a ye WhatsApp number no e wo so obetimi e do questions e di aba ana se o contribution bo a o de ba ye be som na ya kenkan na yetimi ama enyema timi akoyie the senti WhatsApp number no da screen so no obetimi do se bisa no e di aba wo na etwa ho na ya basisi a ye ba na ebedu a ye be twa
if I shop na me sha dia wo bag
bra ade enen so biem
na tell me about me share me see you ba queen why me say
bra said the time heba mesha esia gimi ni me fiefo enya dia ba ko pe ebe so ye
really dey do say ofa ni nyina
bra se me ka se me di time heba mesha ho adanse a riase nyina ebe te me nka enti se malaria wadra ni time heba mesha
enya nu ko die na nu mato a wontumi anidie no wadra ni time heba mesha edre enye ma oba wafa afuro de wo ma akoda no fo ene akoda woni mfie dumienu ansa na obeto time heba mesha edre ibi no hwese wako hospital anasa lab am wo hu se wo atri malaria ibi ansa
ayo se time ni TIME time heba mesha afi malaria fever bi ada ni ziba ewo mu no ebe tiato
FDA ahwe adwadie nkwato yi mu age atomo se eye
well all pia obusia say ifrimu why the den ti meslewa we na fa kokko we me na say dia wa wonu tua wo fa say no mo ayede na ma me ti we we na wo yere na mfa nkonkoye digma na ma no why
ebusia yenko kuma ase
ah munko kuma ase
Martin Luther
oh nah it's been a long time oh tell you
me say minia obra kwantu ya wo
Seminar na ma yan ka twene ni ahwe dan yo. Na busu ya pani asoma me. Seminar me pa daka. E wo kuma se afamara. Na me se ya chini. Ye nya daka yi bi. Nansani o. Nansani mo na mo da so a. Wo hia me de we ni problem kra. Wo be je di se me free Dubai betru Ghana. Ana me na na kwabere ntwi. Wo to na nanu ansia do. Ni eje yi ni bo me so. E wa brede me ni kapre. Odu obi na kire me go straight casket shop. Ah e wo kuma se labor hire. Me
Kumawood TV Amansane Yena Yediemu.
Another side will be December 7th, Ghana Sanko.
Kumawood TV.
Right. Welcome back from the break. Yasan Ababiem. Na me mo akwaba biem e de aba dwumade ne so. Sene me ko break na me ka no. Wo hwe screen so a ye de ye telephone numbers no aguso ye WhatsApp number no e de aguso se wo nsem bisa e de fa ene enkomo a ye bedi ho a ubetimi e de message no e de afa ho e 0543 596070. Mesi number no so biem e de ama 0543 596070. What the messages no eba ye behwe na ya kenkan ni nyina e de ama wo ensem bisa bi a e wo ho bia no.
Amansane Yena Yediemu.
Another side will be December 7th, Ghana Sanko. Since 1992, I NDC and NPP. And somebody will hold Nippon Sinopi.
Nyan to about NDC are buying your mind. So what you say, NPP, your manifesto, how much I say at the year, Juban.
Abuya. And for the time. Abuya, the youth. The what? And that is the most single, one of the most single youth policies Mills and Mahama brought 2009 to 2012. No. Hey, that's it, right? It's this woman. What makes not cassette? Youth in Abuya. Exactly. Hey, and this is the Babubia, so that's in it.
It was not easily done.
Why the party there today? Hey mama, hey I ever say.
Okay, everybody here, I say TIME, Time Heba, I was so season 2 audition, no. Assign Ababiewo. Put your fan, not the what the 18 years, aircraft, who qualify, say, I was so audition, over to the Ababie. The other said, who was to see it, no Beseki, no what tracky, no one was so, now you're fair, and no one any here. So your bar, not over to my way now, and for what the treasure, dear, for the treasure, Ahojo, this week. Time Heba, a Woso season 2 audition, a basso ever Ahojo, Atinga Junction Kumase, baby a Kumawu TV wana, a was pop a hot pepper, Time Heba, a Woso season 2 no, yadi audition no, eba, Saturday eba ya, eba so live, yenina yen shemu na ampaya. Ebeja Jumadi at Shady the Brewum, Jomedicano, Yadini called Dubai. Empo, Sao Dubai, no, not Sao Pese, Yan Sikadimawa, near Katikani in album, near the amount, not at the other band out there, yet, so the better car out there, top, so the best view, so the Bayajubo, so maybe.
Okay, right. Mami Samu Akwaba BM and Famra Kumawu TV so. Ene empomoden komo no na ye de ebro da bia meka se ma wonkwa ho hia wo ene ye ma wonkwa ho hia wo eno nti na ya to nsa afre ye akukudam se omomra emeboa na ye moama wapomoden no entimi CP ensita emfama wo ene Dr. Penipa mensaka no na mene no ebedi dwumadi eye Dr. Edmond Atta Dr. eye CEO Edema Balm of Gilead Alternative Clinic na doctor clinical counselor eno achi so osan dietitian eno achi osan food scientist na abodi no de bebre maame fancy ha na ye ba bedi nkomo e dia fa wapomden ho na ne obi kura bebi sase na nkomo ben na ye ba bedi ye di nkomo e dia fa stress and your health adia stress e de bre nipa dasani o hawa hodo a stress e de nipa efam eno na ene ye ba bedi ho nkomo na Dr. Edmond Atta ewa ha doc
yes sir
akwaba
yenya
bibia bokode
abum bibia bokode
yeda nyame ase doc ana wa ma ne so ababe na ya hwefo na timi ato kan ye pa
na me de yankwa ache ode yankwa che se na na se e wo se yeda na se
right me pa so doctor mo hwe doctor no in fact papa we ne hwehwe den ne pe ya ne so nyame adom ene ye nya no ewo studio ha se ya ye ne no eba abedi enkomo o se ma kitchen enye o pharmacy enti se wote sa asem we wo ba bia se ma kitchen enye o pharmacy a na papa we ene de bae ma kitchen enye o pharmacy Dr. Edmond Atta ye ne no edi enkomo e dia fa stress doc ye ka stress a ene dey yare ana se yade etochima e wabomodemu
bidi kan no me da nyame ase se wa ma mesa akonyen ana woni team ni na ukio no na ene me second time
waba
team so me na wodi me
bie wona me no start program no
me da etiefo ni ahwefo nyina so ase se omanyamre within the next 30 minutes away you so omo be hwe stress enye yare
okay
no stress a disorder
I see what you saying
yes ya cause stress me the growth a define
okay
in my own way ya cause stress me cause stress here the body responds to any change that
the body responds to
any change that will require adjustment
okay
on say the body responds to any change
okay
e kwanya ye nipedua no enema fofora e ba ye ho enema foforo no me bibiem
okay
enema fofora e ba ye ho no se e ba e kwanya ye nipedua no ejefa
okay
the body responds to any change that requires an adjustment
okay
na se ofa ye nipedua ya enema bebree na etwa nipedua ho hia ebi ye ne ye di yensa etachi a ye physical
okay
ebi nso ye ne ye di ya adwene ebu
no yemfa ye ni ehu
ebi nso wo ho a ye di ye ni ehu
okay
intimate ka se ebi ye physical ebi ye psychological
okay
adwene mo de ebi nso ye social enema etwa ye ho hia
no
ana ebi nso ye psychosocial
okay
anasa psychospiritual
okay
ebi nso wo ho a eye honhom mo de
okay
enunti sa enema eye physical eye psychological eye you can say emotional anasa eye spiritual na ekwanya woni pedua no e respond to eji efa
okay
react and the body responds to any change that requires any adjustment sa niema no nsesaye no eba ni pedua nim ne ekwanya woni pedua no timi accommodate ejefa anasa eji afa no ede nsunsanso bone ba anase edinsunsan so papa ba enti kwanya wankasa obe adjust ho obe ye oni pedua no obe sesa ho afa no kwanya sa niema ne ba no obetimi ade esi ano no eno no na ye beka se stress enti stress enye yare ne momu no any change in sesaye a benefit ni mo no kwanya obefa so a obe respond
to nsesaye no a benefit ni mo no nti nsesaye hodo a benefit ni mo no your response to nsesaye na benefit ni mo no ene ye ka se stress doc yen hwe bre ya be hunu sei no e de na de stress no eba causes no evidence
Go. Say a fat stress are very broad. Woman me 2 hours cry and so me. Stress bia wo adepotia edeba.
Okay.
Before say the beba courses no hono me pese ye behwe types.
Okay.
Type bia wo the edeba.
Nti stress ni on types.
You on the types.
Okay. Yan types are who do no a.
Yes.
Stress edeba ni.
Good. So all fast stress ankasa under academic field you beka say you acute, you episodic and you chronic. I know the infant change.
Okay.
But you back the normal lifestyle ways now. Your physical stress
Okay. Physical stress.
Physical stress. Your psychological stress
Okay.
And your psychosocial stress
Okay.
And your psycho-spiritual stress
Okay.
Me biem na me biem no de edeba no ye behu answer question now be sam ebe answer good see you cause physical stress me kai say about couple of years ago Kumasi here na em say udu pada so bonshim ho ofa be ye frɛ be twede as boko agrochemical bi explode here ewu Kumasi ya na scent ni te sɛ cabbage nsuo a wo de ego ho hankofo mankofo nya kata cold ne a whole lot ana eno na chi ne gas bi nso pie baby within some hour no say nipa bebre ebi mu krampo nyame ama na anya ebi kura wu ye eno nti ya ka say physical stress a eye niema a etwa ye ho ahia say aye chemical ana say wakwakunya accident wonamwa ne bia wakwakunya accident bibia twawo yawo na wo femu no atenka na woni pedua no ebe accommodate no ebe accommodate ana say entimi accommodate no eno eye stress
eno ne stress no
good
I see
azimi say sisi ya yeti heyi na me masa ama na ye gina ye wo hasa na ebu ewa abrosen so enu nti ebu na ye kɔ form ne kwan ye be fa so a ye be manage ye ho no yes survival no within that minute no how our system no ebe adjust ne ho accommodate that kind of reaction na e come no enu no ye physical
I see
but what you dey make and I said yamra bibi so te say bia me kan say otu ya no bia hwasum wani na ho so
the kind of pain no a
yes
o fam
no
and physical
pain ni one pain ni ba pe omunsu befu yes
ti ebufu na ba because no wani na ho so
dey na ma bufu ni ba a brain no a communication ya woni na communicate ma
brain no
hold and these are some of the physical stress.
Okay.
But what you say? And the psychological stress are. Na me ya wadom when your girlfriend be when you be worry no. All of a sudden no was someone no stay was on my room we down what to akoma. And no a psychological stress. And I say when you nyamu e wo fie na onya obi ahwe on kasa ho ana wonne na nkofo bi o adwumam obi siana on feel enu nti house Christian de bia me ko sorry like me nye bra yi hwe me nye sister yi hwe na de nti na me chia na wonde me so ebe ha obedwendwen ho so the kind of thinking na
adwendwen na wo dwendwen no ene se ne ensi ha wo fa
exactly
eno ene gina ho ma ye ka se we ye stress
yes
but
psychological
okay.
When you be with jumpa or tomatoes, also tomatoes, like the kind of an chia yell to near ma oh, and I want you a bit to a man tim the kind of song. So these are some of the behavioral characters are exhibited bab on tia. A me who said, I call into a banisa will be one more a full anger and into a buffon so a psychological stress.
I see.
And ye ba other one non so. The person here now, and no, psychosocial.
Psychosocial.
Yes.
Okay. Then share no so.
Good. Psychosocial. My worry. I was saying, wo. I want him ma. maja ema
okono mu nduro we
yes
na wo ko doctor we ho
yes
na wo yesei na ye tro ne we na busuafo pressure na kuma fo twabo nti saa ohaw no tibia no a wo na mu no
anaso wo kunawu na busuafo how nti eye psychosocial anaso enamfo a ewo ho ni nyina no ekeka ho bi the kind of pain ene niam be koso adwen mu no how a wo be accommodate no eno nso bia anya wo psychospiritual yes
na ni akwa se hunhum ade
kakra be no ebi ho a belief system eno no assuming say me say me ye dan Pentecost na me call me ma me ni me papa say no
we ma unko
Pentecost ni we Romani we jidini into unko da the kind of trauma me fem o me ko ni aba me sofo ni aye me say ni akwa ana say we nkremuni na pese wo ba kan say Christosum
na o family no emma
ana say wo ye Christoni o pese wo kwa ware nkremuni ana so ye nkremuni o be ware nkremuni like that kind of belief system no the kind of reactions possible adwene ni mu ni pedwe ni mu no insunsanso de bebe ni tudua no eno nso ye kan say psychospiritual enti edoso eno nti so wo bisa me say dien na the stress ba the distress ba ejina the type of stress eso nemo no stress bia abusu a Ghana ha na ye fem on the majority side a physical stress so the question now is back to you Mr.
the physical stress ever
one nipa enya brain ye piska ye pese ye boy ye bushina ye pese ye go school ye pese ye sidan ye pese ye toka ye fa ha ni ye wen ni ye sei ye na time mo ma ye ho
bebo ne yira ko homa odune ho fa na me ko fa sika free
o man ni mo aye den kakra me nya ne enu nti utimi se nipa ebre enu nti the kind of exuberance and the kind of temper ene o pese wo meet deadline wo adwumem ebia wo ye banker wo pese wo nya promotion ebia wo ye media personnel group pese wo nya award ebia wo ye sofo wo pese wo ye we into the kind of that kind of movement na cost no eno eye major cause of stress
eno eye major cause of stress me pacho tie wo a wo hwen wo fie no wo hwen ye screen so a ye de ye WhatsApp number no ato so wo hwen nkomo a ye di stress na ene ye di hu nkomo na doctor me ehun say ye physical stress ena ye psychological one enso e wo ho ene wo ye spiritual one enso e wo ho na ne ye hwe ne titro pa no e physical stress na ene oba o man Ghana mu a wa start a obobo so no na ye hwe courses ni bi eno na ye gusu a ye di hu nkomo no enti se wo nsem bi sabi efa ene stress a ye di hu nkomo yi about your health a ubetimi abomoden na onso wo de message no aba na ya kenkan e di amawo enti wo de befa ye WhatsApp line so na afa ya kenkan e di amawo number no a wo de message no e fa so no e 0202 66 8464 message number no so biem e di amawo fa o message no ebra o questions ni nyina no wo de fa ho a DJ Lofty making kind e di amawo Dr. Edmond Atta e wo ha die obeboa e wo stress no so pa san say ene wa me hu say ye broad topic na ye be koso na ye bisa nsem a ebetimi aboa ya bura physical emu die na etimi aboa WhatsApp number na 0202 66 8464 na watimi e de won nsem bisa no e di aba doc
yep
to asoma
good so back to physical one na ye hwe nipa ni ne ho adaji
nipa ni adaji
ana ebi mo nso ha wonye kiki but you afraid be autoimmune disorder
okay
health wise no the system na nkasa no e fight na ho
okay
ya won kofo bi ho a wonye kiki oni disa but oye kese
okay
Remember, so stress a yawa. Okay. Stressful. And probably no say we will be a autoimmune disorder and also system now fight on one and also put you into higher stress.
Okay.
We see. Nankopon nansem no ade bi wo yoni pedu no ma friend cortisol.
Okay.
Cortisol is stress hormone. Na me amayehu level anase amount a e was cortisol yenya. Eno nti sometimes no se ekoba so obi ago through why you too depressed, why you too you can say anxiety, those kind of emotional disorders now. It me yeah hormonal test check say the cortisol level was saying.
Okay.
A lipa bebre on the moment or drink as okoye exams or drink kwanya utimi say the school fees kwa won tua ye na adenu ko be dan ko twro obi so o tua be on hia ade no obi so ho no mo a ne kunu ne yire nsem ya ne bank nsem ya musikas ashe ebia
jetre ka ke kwa nsem
o be de ba ye enema sai enunti adwendwene e de stress ba adwendwen
e de stress
ba apart from adwendwen no obi ho on dwen
okay
normal but the system na make us autoimmune disorder ema cortisol level no coslo.
Okay.
The moment or cortisol level be arise be we no ema immune system no decline into one no start nya some symptoms be ya bebe no so enunti these are some of the things are physically can say physical stress ebani people Anna, to say that me can say me define physical
stress no.
Good. Obi so ho no mo a sitting in one kasano. E bia did you left you be different from
what you do.
Obedin. And when stress there ye kasi ye can the major cause a big underlying part there
adwendwen and the stress
and some other ones other conditions be
and so about the count. Okay, doc message be a Lillian Eddie free mampo bi Eddie aba or say ask doctor for me if moving from a house to another house can that also cause stress?
Good. Moving from one house to another house maybe one renting new apartment we own to alcohol no
I think now best say woniema every apeka odi be hu
enunti na make us stress no you were acute the case acute ade no enya ade a aba abeyi ni pedua no a found no and found no within some short period be ebi an ko through exams the obe femu no ebe mo go through stress ebi a wontu ebi a car crampo a wo baby no anase buo crampo a ya ball no crampo ne niama obesesa ekwan a wo befa so shiki bi e be kokoso ni na stress but no a temporary stress and you know you be falling under acute stress and you want chronic stress
and
no dey afone no mu yes and no it lead to higher you be stress in higher we are baby do make akuti so you be
I see
yes
right me pato wani guso a wohwe Kumawo TV wonkwa hia dwumadie na wani guso no ye ne Dr. Edmond Atta na edi nkomo ewo kasa fonyini so a wonso wani eguso a wohwe no ye ka stress in your health me pato momoden say obe jone yen bra ye di nkomo yi na wonso wonsem bisa no watumi edi aba stress no ye ba be hunu say eyade a ekoso woni pa bra bompa call radio stations and out here radios bebre a bon say ye kan yare ahodo bi ti say stress enti oti wa na obisa say na stress no so abe yare because na stress no ama enkofo bebre fa ohawo ne situations bi mu a aba be yare eni aba betena eno na ye di hu nkomo abisa doctor say stress no yare wa me ahunu say stress enya yare but nyame anya wadom a ebetimi lead to stress yare nti stress no lead to yare dia na ye di hu nkomo na ye bisa say yare ahodo be stress yare ahodo ben na betimi aba stress ene de ban doc
go sɛ wofa nipadua no a wofa nkwammoa no a anaasɛ wo cells no a ɛfiri bibi white blood cell.
White blood cell.
Yes. White blood cell no ɛna yɛ nipadua no abanmmɔfoɔ ɛno na yɛ wɔ antibodies a ɔmo bɔɔ ho ban ɛfiri any intruder sɛ biribi mɛ nipadua no mu ɔmo bɛsi ano kwan. So wofa nipadua no a wofa even component of the blood cells na ɛdɔɔso.
Okay.
Na stress ɛyɛ ade a ɛyɛ affect body metabolism anaasɛ nipadua no kwan yɛ wo sɛ function yɛ adwuma ɛfa no ɛma no ɛba fam. So we go through a lot of stressful condition. Deɛ yɛ ne sɛ on the majority side no ɛma lead to cardiac issue anaasɛ problem anaasɛ circulatory system no ɛfa kwan a mogya no ɛnante ɛfa nipadua no mu through ntini ne wei no mu na ɛma ne ba fam. Because the moment a wobɛyɛ stress out no o blood circulatory system na anaasɛ mogya flow no effective saa ɛno nti akɔba ne saa te sɛ heart na akoma no ɛde high strain anaasɛ pressure bi ɛna ɛwɔ sɛ ɛpɔmpe mogya no oxygen no throughout yɛn system no ɛno nti that high strain na heart ne bɛyis no most ama wɔnya blood pressure enipa bebree ɛwuwu ɔmo gugu ahwe ama yɛde hyɛ abayifoɔ nso ɛnyɛ abayifoɔ ho tee DJ Lofty nkɔfoɔ bebree including asɔfofoɔ including mediafoɔ including obiara ɛma unfortunately no ɔmo akɔpie ɛwɔ asamaado a ɛyɛ stress ne ko because one nipa nni ne ho adagye.
Doc na kyerɛ sɛ woka ne saa deɛ a na sɛ stress no sɛnea yɛtaate ɛwɔ radio ne TV ahodoɔ so sɛ stress ɛyɛ yareɛ na ɛtim kum nipa no na kyerɛ sɛ stress na yareɛ ampa.
Ɛnyɛ yareɛ mebie mu ba. Okay. Deɛ nti a stress ɛnyɛ yareɛ ne sɛ mede kan ka sɛ woyɛ stress apa ɛhyate wo immune system no down.
Okay.
Good. And until the moment our immune system never shut it down, white blood cell and those antibodies and how also nipeduano moja a function is slow. Okay. Now stress ecosra or blood pressure ecosra.
So stress ecosra.
And until I'm for brain or me youth. On building cholesterol our system the most so many blood pressure and risk factors be brain a deba near who do in a deba. Emu baako ɛyɛ cholesterol build up ɛwɔ blood vessels ne veins ne arteries ne a mammogen flow. Ne mom no the moment as psychologically wobɛyɛ stress up no ɛma blood flow no ɛnyɛ effective. Ɛno nti wobɛhu sɛ pressure bɛkɔ soro. Wobɛhu sɛ wo develop cardiac arrest.
Doctor, in this case sɛ kɔba sɛ ebi a nipadua no
yes
wonni blood pressure
yes
ana high blood pressure wonni saa yareɛ bi
yeah
na ebi ma wo so da. Can stress ebetimi aledi ama wakwa konya high blood pressure?
Yes. A risk factor to such area and stress a risk factor to blood pressure, high blood pressure. Stress a risk factor to diabetes.
I see.
Stress a risk factor to cancer.
And betimi abase woni cancer cry.
Yes.
But because the be stressful. Now all the time stress no e wo so e ma wuntumi na yie Emma what did you cry? Sasa, the create some problem.
Once I catch us, woman 2 hours here and discuss stress and the moment I obey stress up no. When you prebiano, cells in a young quamano, your friend may be antioxidant. Antioxidant in your name, a quinipedimise anti-malaria medicine. Okay. Those we know a clinic and name free radicals, oxidant, a winipedinima, Emma will develop a cancer, and as a cancerous cells, our system. The moment I bear 2 stress up no, immune system no, and common also making sure say, a DNA safe free radicals, I'm not wanting through excretion process not airing a best shut it down. I see. A better form. And then that was a move. A building up, a nip any time or they could check up. Nip any time or they echo a correct the pressure, or sorry, a car cramp being the bonnet so. Being the bonnet is checking. But or sorry, pa, young conquan, obey the young conquan, obey the young conquan movement. And two men will say, about community, one day, Nippon and one no buashi. The moment I obey stress up, no HB, hemoglobin, a buffum.
And not in a dog, red blood cell. Rebecca said, Obi Owa, onyare
DJ
bibia nka no but onama wabu ahwe
me penokore unim Monday no for the past 4 weeks me dia kra konya ba me call ha me yesi me yewe Monday no the way me ho ye me like any man koyi na me say kai ma me ni series of tests me ye me check in na me HbO form hemoglobin me blood the normal 11 to 18.5 and I say be 17.5 depending on the standardizer labs ni use no
okay
me check in na me ye e wo form enunti there is no way a wonam ho a unya dey
stress into me ma oni padiem
enunti mpre bebe no me ka say obi nam ho a na say BBC a there is no way a say nipa no bibi nko so ni padiem na me masa ma wo me nam ho a na say bia me buhwe ya doctor ikra obi na tu na grow we spiritual issue spiritual spiritual hute we nko an yomoboa and yes spiritual ye ni adaje mo ni padiem ye doctors no ye hwe nkofo asofofo bompa ye man nkofo na time mo customers ni we be one kasa unna time mo
ni padia
enunti stress area about 95 can say ayari ahodo a ekoso 95% stress na deba.
I see.
Yes.
About 95%.
Yes, and deba.
The stress and nam so a e dey say ayari ahodo no e dey bra nipa bia na eno e na me bisa say enkomo aye di say wo hwe na wutie a wo so won sam bisa enesen na doc abrante bi e dey question about e fene Amasco Fashions.
Okay.
Owo eye Kenya say Garden City University College in Chenhop. Now the message I would have been, I say, please ask doctor for me if increasing in financial obligations can cause stress.
Financial obligations.
Yeah.
Say or try say.
Edia usika sem nkoye ana say menim say ne brofo na watcho no sa na opache dia. Edia usika sem nkoye undi sika kura to da bia ode bedidi any those kind eno no so ebetimi anam so amana be stress
oh why not yes why not the moment like your phone output or output ni ekwan o invest energy o input after so why adwuma wie ne de wunya
okay
eno nti oyiro won ye adwuma na sika sem a eba no kakra na wunya no input no kan say output no ene winning talia like don't say who ye adwuma hu asa ube brela ube train mi je adwuma wi na no ko ye wi ana na say sikai ensome
na menye ni na lead to stress
lead to stress and a lifestyle your drinks be or no more and answer substances are you remember the food aspect much other than the media and what it
okay
and you made this stress even numerous okay. But as I said and your physical stress now it does be you queen na me
doc you need brain na answer na be food no dey no so no mama misa obi question na odi aba perpetual e dey free techiman na odi aba obi say can loss of job also cause stress?
Oh yes, perpetual loss of job can cause stress because the moment obe lose job, psychologically obe intimate tight pa and lose again. Then of course, other man in like the kind of questions that bisa possible adrenaline mono. Emma be on yourself. You will not be on yourself. I say like we started bisa entertain bian ase no aye din bi na say when you aye dudu bi ase why no phone bi ase wo yare bi ase wo nyare so these are some of the things that a be exhibit a be show abundant conspicuously say ampa this person is one or the other having problem.
Okay. Yes. Mama can messages ni bi emfa ema obiem. We free Ebenezer or the free Pankrono estimating Kumasi. Or say can you ask doctor for me if working longer hours also cause stress?
Oh yes, I know the medical Canada.
Good. Enti Ebenezer say doctor Dikai aka enwasem dada na afi na wo so adwone ye dia doctor Dikai aka enwasem dada. I say o ye adwuma bebre na break too much and also e cost so
DJ Lofty. No. Lifestyle changes are nnuane a yɛdi putu nkɔfoɔ into stress ɛyɛ high caloric foods yɛka sɛ high caloric foods a nnuane a wodi a ɛma wo body calories no ɛma wo energy no ɛyɛ extremely high. Ebi yɛ carbohydrate nnuane na ɛkɔ nipadua no mu break it down into glucose, most especially the carbohydrate food, fufu, ampesie, benku, ɛmo, paano, drinks assorted, caffeine drinks, carbonated drinks ni nyinaa no. And then to say, oh, yeah, Juma, especially made to for Amore, and the drivers for name, more Juma Day, no, some energy drinks. I tell you, say, right now, no, only that kind of energetic kind of way, no, a Zublanza, what the year Juma, but I tell you, say, after 5, 10 years, 15 years, you want a consequence neighbor. And then, Yenya, your to stress, no, am I home? Yea, Nipanwa, not stress, not Kotoya Riama, Yea, to stress, no money, Pediano, na Nipediano swap up Yariano, so Ediaba. And Nunti, your best way at you for say, oh, the dear balance, no, my minerals, no vitamins, no, I will fruit in your abundant to Soniano, Emma, no, any balance, you know, because the moment I introduce vitamins and minerals. Our system amount come on white blood cell no look sharp. And then say if any form of hormonal imbalances with the cortisol and stress hormone cosra, and what my soldier for is a massa brown was or level in Jinaho. But always a term biano, we are that is why in Kofofa multivitamins via a broad more balancing one narrate but offer some vitamins B, what you say. And into your best rate, as before say, oh, more, my one Casawano first number one doctor. Okay. Now, Nipidian in here, Sinipidian in here, Yare and Timmy and penetrating fat Nipidian. Okay. Uma won't here on Kumawood TV so, or Jumadi Sono, Dr. Edmond Atta, and Enino Eddie and Komono, Papai, Waboy ye Papa, Medical Catcher said, were a food scientist, were a dietitian, and our friends so, or a clinical counselor. Na ene why ye papa e dia fa stress and your health ne kwan ahodo stress e de nipa e fam e de fa wapomoden ho ema wapomoden entimi ncp ncita emfa mawo na kwan ahodo stress e de nipa fam ene sunsunso bone a e de abre nipa no enya asem ketoa doc e bia na bibi wo ho a ye gya wo mu a wo pese o make me clear na yahwefo etimi ehunu na ye hye ne so adidie mu no waba ho asem abeka kakra ennuane ahodo a yedi a ebetimi aboaye ennuane ahodo nso a yedi a emmoaye emma nipadua no entimi fa na ntuma pa emfra enam stress ahodo yi a ye ka ho asem yayi ode ba no na yahwefo no ye srem se wo message o question bi a wo pese wo de ba se ne enkofo de omo de aba yi a wonso wetimi abisa doc answer na wo de no beba no obi message a wo de aba unfortunately one fan din anybody or the message in free by or say ask doctor if you have been stressed out for a short period of time, can you have a feeling of difficulty in sleeping? Okay, you're very fantastic. The question, you know, good. Say, obia stress up. There are some symptoms we are not signs we are a dead when you pay anymore. As a medical, we say, no, obitime who say, no, you pay why stress up. And then to run on, you have stress is here, and you may dead when you pay anymore. A pine and before, you have both. Can say down stress downgrading. Okay. So with a very quick one, Dr. Echemu Ebano, enche it be a phone lines na tumuna moi. Monso went me from a message sama na mo pesa mo friend monso went me afre aba. Doc, I think say it was some few minutes, I think 15 minutes. Yeah. Na ye the sorry ako. Yeah. Nti fire ko. Good. Until within 5-7 minutes you know. So stress eyewa wo ye kesi. Stress. Eyewa. Nkofo bi ho no mo a o man go to stress amoma ye kesi. On tene ne ho andi o. Genetically when you nipa wo ye kesi sa. But through stress you know cortisol ne issue to kosoro no we say the hormones no estrogen and follicle stimulating hormone on the side of Emma teach no bones was start here or yekesi. Doc anya na no mo ka say we start say o yekesi na ebia
enye aduane bi na wudi ana je say e bia ya hoto ho na ato na wo ye kese eno mo so ye stress
stress etimi me nipa ye kese stress etimi me nipa so te stress etimi mo bi edidi pa stress etimi mo bi appetite
obi o stress mo
yes share DJ stress etimi mo bi didi stress mo bi appetite e ko for me yes stress up am ni appetite mentimi ni di
obi de no
yes
obi nso de no so obi cho pa
yes obi stress mo bi ne visceral fat ne fu eye kese
I see
stress ema obi nso ho no mu a nanum twom hu na o sakwa we die wo yare
I see
stress into ema obi timi kama stress etimi mo obi enya award because stress in Canabra bonwa wontimi enye we like opeso meeting deadline no obetwen last minute na okoye exams no no the be one day awe baba
okay
woman no 3 months ni so mfensu and ya wonye da but with the stress no obe manage within that period no e dey be obi nso a wo force yes a onwie no obe yare enu nti si ye stress a e broad stress e ma wo sexual performance e ba form we ye bema yes
doc
and I do
remember bebre a mo me masem ko form no e stress
ondru fie samre 8 o'clock no na yire de no ho ka no anasa afena wo ba bi obi o afena wo be didi woni di nwe no na wofu ayekese waya enu nti erectile tissue na moja fm na sebio ma bema no ejina so no akloge blood new flow sa eba ne sa erectile dysfunction in the betic enu nti ema bebre so cancer libido e wo form as a result of stress
nti ema bebre omo so atenka ateko no
yes
na omo ni atenka ni na a result of
o ware ye no na atenka no wo ho ana say on starting the psychological way no na wo ho but after some time enti unim enyama ye training na no just sit down analyze yourself be your own doctor dey na ekosu at emo akoyi kin mama start say me manage me ho me manage me balance me bi I tell you when you do no and you never be bring you go hospital o
I see
one kasa no o steady o ho enu nti na nkofo mo ba ba mo Gilead na ya na me ka cho mo say ebi mu nso mo ba ho ayi nso ni say like no please one kasa tina e ho no mo
okay
and so what is the way forward stress na ba no what is the way forward
yeah
stress bia e wo kwan ya ofa so manage no dia ni dia psychological e bia eyie bi anase obi agya no ne boyfriend sem ne we no unya se wankasa obehi no mind no okay kind Romans chapter 12 verse 2 will say being transformed by the renewing of the mind
okay
ensesaye e de efradwene mu na eba good enu nti make sure say obe tune o mind no obe ma o mind no wadwene no enya adwen foforo e de ensesaye true ensesaye no e kwanya de ensesaye ne by enwom to e bia o pe reggae music bia hey no wanya can say Bob Marley bi anase Lucky Dube bi munyum bi o pe gospel tune bi a Yesu be so
now now the release stress
so o pe Shatawale ne obrafo yanom muntie brafo na sa eno the moment
o share screen so ha e na branche bi di asa o hosa no enti we or the release stress no
obedi yan
konkon a e na o di na asa nti we no say o stress mu a stress ni betime afro because I see
ebia obi denika bi o dan o sorry na o side no say adindini na
free hoko I see
onye we no so exercise
we no so say exercise sama no
asani exercise
I see
exercise and also physical activeness ya dia a balance
stress
yes free ho obet make to bicycle obet make to dware nsuom obet me akọ
me twa no obi so stress it me ba na osu
yes
when you stress na osu sa okay wa hwe nti mo hwe no
obi na wa ye ne bibi na ahye no bia bi anase ne girl bi na agya no bi so wonu bia na ne boy bi na agya no oba ne no so osu
ni na stress
obi so wonu ma eba ne se o tie nwom o tie nyum na na me a wo ye o ba tampa lyrics na wo nyum no
na e stress no
e free ho oh ayonhuma de and the moment a o tune your mind o ti ade no I say o do wakoma ewura dinim no o say healing process bi na ye den e koso no obi so no mo a
na ne de no asa ne wura ho na o te baabi no amwa no ho kusu bi na o se baabi ento say ono so
obi o ho so a DJ Lofty ono nko a intime manage no ho
okay
e also we looking for obi a o trust no obetima ye wadamfo obetima ye wo maame obetima ye wo papa obetima ye wo pastor obetima ye wo elder obetimi ayo clinical counselor to say no bi na waba oh doctor say ni ni ehu kwan a ye be fa so a ye be den be boa e bi so no ma obetimi akọ botanical gardens baby a flowers ahodo bebre wo the moment when you be born nature so zoo we be obekọ zoo bi ana obekọ baby e moa ni those kind of whole fair lifestyle
na stress no e be poor wo hwe moa na nyina no doc ma me phone lines no entum na ahwefo no so entimi mfrɛ na nsɛmbisa ahodo a ɔmowɔ na ɔmo pɛ so mbisa no so ɔmo atimi abisa sɛ wo hwɛn a wobɛtimi adjɔne yɛn ɛwɔ dwumadie no so ɛwɔ Kumawu TV so na ɛbrɛ nie yɛbie yɛn phone lines na tom wohwɛ screen no so a wobɛtimi afrɛ na wɔn so nsɛmbisa bi a wɔ no watimi ɛde aba numbers na yɛde fa frɛ no ɛna da screen so no number no yɛ 0202 668462 0202 668462 and I say 0202 668461 na obomode etimi afre na won so waba adwumade ne so enti ye di nkomo no kono won sembisa bia fa ene nkomo a meni doctor edi ho a obetimi afre na won so waba adwumade ne so we are talking about stress and your health and unti oba won sembisa no enye abankomo a ye di na etimi aboa won so tibia no etesen odi no so a wonde mu no e stress ana won so na watimi aba doc ye ba be sorry akọ na ansa na tiefo be frɛ aba no minim sɛ dwumadi a wodi woboa eboa nkɔfo ɛkan sɛ wɔ mo ebetimi aba sɛ obi wɔ stress na wa frɛ doctor na doctor kyerɛ sɛ yewe ebetimi aboa wa na bibi sa wɔ hɔ
oh yes bibi sa wɔ hɔ ɛno nti to say them di kan no nkɔfo bebree a ɔmo nyanya hypertension omo develop chronic diarrhea hodo bebree na mpanyinfo se nyina nkran no mo ntutum kan e bia adwendwen
ma me show from for Emra. Hello, good evening. Hello, good evening. Me ba so din ba bia free
but your friend is me free answer.
Okay, osu amamenti o.
But my friend is on there. Stress may be or it's me, I am mamma. I don't see the trims. I see the trims. Me is again, we are connecting things. Bajan is made.
Don't me, but we are question here. But obey me as about him. My question is, I'm ready.
You see, I don't the things to be a seeing the green sun person of now. But you do more, may you say, my car, my bar, the end of the same line. Not at the end of the
voice, no, you said that in Yan, I think it could be, you said that you might hear next caller. No, I think so. Somebody ma, you bet me at one camp. Hello, good evening. Hello. Hello, good evening. Hello. Me pacho say o person Johnny e wo dwumade so na wo fra bo modern say untie wo ho e wo TV ne so bo modern say obetie yen e wo studio ha na wo lower the volume of your TV set na yetimi ate won kan ye di nkomo about stress and your health. Good evening.
Thank you.
Me pacho din ba bia free
pacho free
okay, me pacho me you.
I swear to know the tree is the same.
Me pacho say
stress na mo kan tree is the same.
Stress no open the tree dey won. Okay. Mate say bro for 70 years make me get tree one. Yeah, okay. Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Me pacho din ba bia free.
Pacho me ka free libo.
Okay. Udin
Mede Messi.
Messi mami tio.
Me pacho more can stress asem.
Yeah.
Me pese me bisa say sometimes no. Say asem bi chire wo so ana say bia wo so a etoda na me wura ho. Say obi anka me na me wura ho eno so stress ana.
Stress ana. Okay. Mate doctor wa ha obe yi ano e di ama wo. Ma me hwe me next caller no e wo ahoma no so. Hello, good evening. Hello, good evening.
Hello.
Good evening.
Good evening.
If I show didn't be out free. Okay. If I show meet you.
Okay.
Meet you.
Program na me pese me den.
Me pa show was on TV bisa o send bisa no.
Pese me say. Odu anadona it will be another around 7-8 minutes. It will be pineapple for
okay, and I joe person bisa say and I joe bet me the pineapple ne popo and I do the sumo ana. Okay, all right. Doctor Oha obe ya no e di amount. Ma me hwe me next caller no e wa homa no so. Hello, good evening. Okay. Doc, hello. All right. Okay, Doc. Say ense bisa no kakra ba ye bre no so e ya so enti wo be yi anu ama ye na afei wo kira kwan be bi a wo ene udwumadi a wudi no o ma ye tiefo no. Okay, obi wo ahoma no so. Good evening. Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Me pa cho din be bi a free.
But your form to the first
Mankesim. Me pa cho ma minti o.
But your better be there. Na stress normal you plan here now to be there. Mayor Basa, maybe the mayor. Mayor Basa, the near border, Mututab Nama, first more of the map, Mutupavana.
Okay. Doctor at Obeyano Ediamount. Okay. Yet me for free for BB. Doc, I think say no person bisa say a bus ebia a gene we are Juma bread brina a yano so bit me stress ana minim say your kind of meeting and yedia, I think says Anna or person Obisa. Doc, and Sabisa and Kakana Bano, Yen on Afi, Yansoress, and Ebenason.
Good. I did about Qua, I was a four or more shade, a shilling, so they say, or more where you teach me, or Quaha, where you see, or Faha, or you see, or more, and it's also a set time of rest.
Also set a time of rest. Now, your best stress say TV no a brand de ye adwuma ye brand so na ensembisa no em say ye ntimi ma doctor nyini nyina no sesia ne mom sesia so hwe screen so a Dr. Edmond Atta medical doctor say oye food scientist oye dietitian and afi oye clinical counselor na in fact onim de enti say wo bibia wo pese obisa no a the telephone number and that screen so no after the show no obetimi afre no o how bia wo namu bia yare bia nyankopon de hunim de no ache ne keke obeboa na sa wo how no etimi afre ho wo stress wo question bia na nka wo pese obisa wo dwumade so a obetimi abisa no na watimi ayi ano e de manti doc ye ko wanu de sema etwa to okra na afei wo de telephone number no atudwa e de amaye na afei ye nsore so minim se questions na aka no afre for no be frɛ ama wo yi ano e de amaye
Madam Asi, our Kunya Madama, only team in our production team. Me pese me tu anko for say ye kwa ye ba ye we nyina e ya no aduane e ko ya no be bi ti beto nti anemom no ye ma ye ni pedua no nhia ye eno nti nyankopon krampo no obo eniema from Genesis to Revelation no obo ade no ode dako e rest ye eno nti nyamre rest so obekọ aduma from Monday to Friday na Saturday no san ko ye aduma Sunday no opon asori aba no da rest ya na akotena be bi din na nya time ma wo eba ni sa ebeboa anya sa pe stress no kwapo yi ya bri e dia ba sika nso a me nya bi na yi bi o me number ni 0240
51 21 71
0240 51 21 71
right ye beda Dr. Edmond Atta ase say ene ye to nsa frɛ no e wo nkwa hia dwumadie so no wo bae ene ye ba bedi nkomo e dia fa stress and your health ɛno ɛna na yɛbɛdi ho nkɔmmɔ me a mebɛtena dwumadie mu ɛdi dwumadie ho kyɛn me medin ɛne Francis Adey dodo na frɛ me DJ Lofty Dr. Edmond Atta Balm of Gilead Alternative Clinic ano ɛna ɔda ɔno na ɛnɛ yɛne no bɛdi ahyia ɛwɔ ha mame fast dan bi ɛma DOP Kobe Frank original Samdakus director papa ɛna PM baako otwi Nozo 1 okɔ ɛyɛ engine room hɔ a Loretta ɛne Augustina enso eboa amiade dwumadie no etumi ede brow VTR ɛne MCR mo ɛna eboa amiade dwumadie no ebrow adom ya next week yɛbɛsa hyia wɔ dwumadie no so biom yakraw.
Yes, Kumawood Training Institute and Sanojuma Ahimfie asaka omo ho bio. Ose fa na miensa pe fa be sua Sanojuma na fa bo bra. Mentra ho na da bia no enkosre sika e wo bi ho.